So today I'm going to be pranking my mom. So it's easy prank. So you just get like water on your hand, and then you just fake sneeze, and then you like put it all over them. So I'm going to go set up the camera. I don't know where she is right now. Mom, can we make something?
Yeah. What's out of my face?
Alright, we got her. We got her, guys. So funny. Alright. I'll be back. And then I'll think of another prank to do on my brother this time. Peace.